Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Yeah, cheers for clicking on the video. You join myself over the Wren's Nest today, the Wren's Nest Nature Reserve. We come and check out some of the limestone caverns and the old workings. Fancy coming along?
Circle.
Come on then.
Yeah. That was easier when it was that way. You used to slide up that way.
Yeah, so this whole area used to be under the ocean at one time. And you can still see the seabed in the rocks.
No, I need the most funny.
Yeah, at the top.
Dad. Dada. Dada. Dan. Dan, look.
So people from all over the world would come and visit here. They'd bring rock hammers with them to try and get the fossils.
There's only ever been bits of trilobites ever found on here. I don't think there's ever been a full one ever found on here.
Dan. Dan.
That's what people are after. Gold dust, man. Yeah, come on. He found some rock over in that water. It's not just grey.
More of these trail markers. Beautiful.
I know, because this is part of the well.
It's really interesting here. Yeah, so I'm just making my way to the old entrance to the caverns. So these were the entrances to the limestone caverns. And you can just see over there, there's a way down. And I've never seen a shaft so secured in all my life. Wow! So that just keeps on going down and down. You can still see some of the old winch wheels that would have been used to winch the limestone up. The tracks are still there. Rocks all covered in fossilised shells. Yeah, so you can feel the air coming out of this shaft here. Kind of an indication to how long it is and how big it is.
Oh, yeah.
So these are known as the Seven Sisters, and they've all been sealed up quite well. Tons and tons of gravel. You can clearly see the geological rock structure.
And that's it. He does what he's got to do. That's true. But he moans at me for silly things. Like the other day I was working on the car in the back garden. He come out, he goes, he walked, bear in mind, he could just go from one end to the other. He'd go all around the block. I said, that'd be funny, mate. I said, look, can you fucking tell you? I said, I can hear this from, I said, I can only hear this because my that's overhanging his garden.
Gotta check it out cameras.
Yeah. He's got cameras, but he ain't going to see you chucked it over, is he? I'd say
Whenever you see those kind of signs, you always know that there's something good behind them.
That's how we used to get in.
That fence there.
Over the gate, all the wall board up the gate.
Down there, Charlie.
No. Do not look down. Not look down.
I mean,
You wouldn't want to fall down there, would you?
down here. Nah, he just lets go of him when he's scared. I pushed the brick over not long ago, kids. So he was in the garden, man. I fucking launched it back at him. What's what you doing?
Kids and kids.
Okay, so that's it from me here over at the Wren's Nest. Hope you've enjoyed the video. And I'll catch you on the next one, yeah? Ta-ra.